Speaker connectors for select Mazda vehicles 1990, 1994, 323, 1990, 2000 Protege. Connects speakers to the factory harness. Easy to connect. Top reviews from the United States. It works on Jeep Boston Acoustics. It works on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2006 with Boston Acoustics system. You just need to press it really hard to the current connector. I'm guessing it will work with any Chrysler with Boston Acoustics sound. I used it for the front dash speakers. I did not check the fit in the door speakers. Not the Metra 72-7902. This product works perfect on my 2014 Ram 1500 dash speakers. Slight modifications will be required, but I guarantee after slight modification it will fit. I used a small flat head, made the insides wider, and also took off the tab. Then when I pressed it in very hard, it went on snug as slipper that would never come off. Lol, either way it works, and I'm happy. Love the new dash speaker in my Ram.